Welcome back to Dinar Community. Today, we're not just sharing another market update, we're reporting history in the making. The long-speculated revaluation of the Iraqi dinar, commonly known as the RV, is no longer just talk. It's happening, and it's happening now. This is the breakthrough moment that investors, economists, and Iraqi citizens have been anticipating for years. After countless policy shifts, economic uncertainty, and public skepticism, the reality is now clear. The Iraqi dinar has officially revalued, signaling a significant turning point in the nation's financial journey. For anyone holding dinar or keeping an eye on developments in the Middle East, this news could be transformational. In this episode, we'll break down what's taking place, what it means for your financial strategy, and how you should respond. From downtown Baghdad to global financial centers, the ripple effect is already underway, and we're here to guide you through it. A major milestone has just been reached. The Central Bank of Iraq has officially issued new lower denomination currency notes, and these are not pilot issues or test runs. These bills are in full circulation, marking the country's shift toward a streamlined, modern monetary system. For those unfamiliar with what this means, Iraq's economy has long depended on large denomination notes, which hampered everyday transactions and economic fluidity. By introducing smaller denominations, Iraq is clearly indicating its commitment to financial reform, price stability, and global integration. This is far more than a currency redesign, it's a rebuild of Iraq's economic foundation. Banks, cash centers, and ATMs across Iraq are being upgraded to align with the new currency structure. This sweeping overhaul shows that the central bank is not improvising. It's following a long-term, disciplined roadmap toward stability, value, and investor confidence. If you hold Iraqi dinars outside the country, your immediate question is likely, what now? The release of these new notes is your confirmation, the revaluation is operational. This move shows that Iraq is transitioning from a weakened currency model to one rooted in strength and accessibility. For global investors, now is the time to pay close attention. While many Iraqi citizens are beginning to adjust to the new currency, financial institutions in other countries, particularly those with strong Middle Eastern ties, are preparing for increased activity and potential currency exchange requests. But don't expect all banks to immediately open exchange windows. Many will move cautiously, in accordance with legal protocols and system readiness. Here's the bottom line. The revaluation is no longer speculation. It's in motion. And if you're holding dinar, you're no longer just waiting on a possibility, you're part of a live economic evolution. Skeptics once labeled the RV as fiction. Forums, analysts, and media dismissed it as hype. But the silence from those voices today is telling. With the confirmed release of new notes and bank systems adapting in real time, this is no longer theory, it's fact. The Central Bank of Iraq has meticulously aligned its actions with international financial standards. This isn't a rushed rollout, it's a calculated, legitimate economic shift. For investors, this moment represents confirmation. Years of study, patience, and strategic positioning have led to this point. So what's next? Preparation. As exhilarating as this update is, you must proceed with strategy. Not all financial institutions are ready for exchanges right away. Some may require appointments, others will need proof of purchase, ID, or even documentation for tax purposes. Be cautious, stay informed, and avoid rushing into anything, especially when scammers may be on the prowl. Only work with certified, legitimate financial entities. In the coming days, expect a variety of processes depending on your country. This is why it's critical to watch for official guidance and consult trusted financial professionals. Preparation, not panic, will determine your outcome. Now, onto the question on everyone's mind, what is the new exchange rate? As of this broadcast, official rates haven't been made public. But analysts agree. Iraq's rising oil exports, fiscal discipline, and structural reforms point toward a strengthened dinar. However, it's important to manage your expectations. The revaluation is real, but rate fluctuations may continue in the near term. Some investors may want to exchange early. Others may prefer to wait for a potentially higher valuation. Your choice should reflect your financial goals, risk profile, and long-term plans. Work with a qualified advisor to determine the best move for your personal situation. Internationally, the response has been swift and significant. Governments and financial markets across the globe are taking notice. Iraq's revaluation is prompting renewed trade discussions, partnerships, and investment exploration. Countries once hesitant to engage with Iraq are now reconsidering their positions. Iraq is quickly becoming a more attractive player on the world stage. In foreign exchange markets, the dinar is gaining traction. Traders now view it as an emerging currency with strong potential. Volatility may rise, but that often brings opportunity for those who are ready. Now more than ever, planning is essential. We urge all investors to speak with a tax professional immediately. Depending on your country, exchanging dinar may involve taxes, documentation, and compliance. A professional can help you minimize liabilities and avoid legal complications. Beyond taxes, consider your broader strategy. Will you reinvest? Pay off debt? Purchase assets? This is your chance to think long-term. Don't treat this as a quick windfall. Treat it as a launching point for lasting financial security. The success of the RV and the release of lower denominations is about more than just money. It's about a nation redefining itself. Iraq is stepping into a new era of confidence, progress, and global cooperation. A revalued dinar means more than a stronger currency. It empowers the Iraqi people. It strengthens international trade, and it draws the world's eyes to Iraq's potential. To dinar holders, this is your moment of vindication. Your belief, your patience, your foresight, it all mattered. You weren't just investing in currency. You were investing in a nation's recovery. This is your opportunity to align yourself with Iraq's financial rebirth and take part in what could be one of the most transformative moments in modern economic history. Thank you for watching this critical update on Iraqi Dinar info. If this video helped you understand the latest developments, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Tell us in the comments, how are you preparing? Have you consulted your advisor? What do you expect this change to mean for your future? This isn't the end, it's just the beginning. Stay informed, stay alert, and most of all, stay hopeful.